Yo, E, I need you, man.
Hey, Saf, what's up? What do you need me for?
I've got this project with OnePlus, and we're gonna be talking about a gaming phone. And when I thought gaming, I thought you're the man.
Okay, say no more. I'll be there. So you guys are wondering, why did I fly to the UK and where's Saf? Well, we'll get to Saf in a second, but I'm here to check out the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man Edition. Now, I'm pretty excited to be partnering with OnePlus in showcasing this device because this is not a OnePlus Pac-Man phone. This is an infusion of Pac-Man into the OnePlus Nord 2. You start off with the packaging. You can clearly see that they've spent time in showcasing what Pac-Man is all about, and it showcases also within the device itself. Now, the Nord 2 comes with a 90Hz display, and it is a vibrant display. As a gamer, I love high refresh rates, which is great. Then you also have the Dimensity 1200 AI chipset, which gives you an awesome gaming experience for the price point that you're getting this device for. Now, as gamers, we like longer battery life while we're gaming, plus fast charge time. So you got a 4500 milliamp battery and a 65-watt warp charger, which means you're up and running in no time. Now, you look at the device and you can see aesthetically, they've done some really cool things that make it nice and simple and sleek. You've got Pac-Man in the back, you see all the dots there, and that looks cool. But when you're in a dark room, the whole pattern changes into a whole Pac-Man feel, which is absolutely fantastic. It looks great. Now, you also got a 50 megapixel camera in the back, and we like that because this takes some really cool photos, but we want to get back into that Pac-Man feel here. Why does it feel so different with this phone? Now, the OS itself is a Pac-Man styled OS, which means you have really cool different icons. You also have Easter eggs across the phone. So starting off with just unlocking the device, you can see Pac-Man icons all around. While you're charging the device, you can also see Pac-Man chomping away on the dots, which gives you a whole different experience. The little things all around, like unlocking wallpapers while you use the phone, which is great. Now, there is also a DIY phone stand, which is pretty cool, that you can pick up as well. It's just something I wanted to showcase. I really like it because it kind of gives you the whole Pac-Man feel to it. Now, I wouldn't delve too much in the Easter eggs because I don't want to spoil them for you, but you'll find a lot of them throughout the device as you're using it, as you're experiencing it. And also, while you play the Pac-Man 256 game that has a whole storyline and more Easter eggs and there's more, it's awesome. But we're here because Saf challenged me to a contest on Pac-Man. Yeah, so I'm gonna head over to his place and I am going to beat him in a competition, and the winner of the game gets to give away more phones. So let's go ahead and beat Saf.
Right, guys, it's time. It's time for E to lose. So let's do this.
Please.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. All right.
Okay.
I have not played this in a long time. Okay. Points are coming up.
He's about to die, isn't he? That was close.
I'm doing too good. If I can say so myself, I'm just like absolutely smashing this.
Oh, I'm in a bind.
Ooh.
A little bind.
Oh yeah, okay, got it.
Yes. What score are you on right now?
I'm not gonna tell you.
Really? Are you sure?
All I'm gonna say is I'm doing really well, and it's definitely better than what you're doing.
No.
Ooh, cherry, what does cherry do?
Figure it out yourself.
That was close. Ooh, very, very close. The cherry's gone. The cherry's gone.
Sorry, my bad. My hands just kind of missed.
Keep your hands to yourself. Ooh, that's close. Oh, okay, one down. Come on, I can do this. I'm confident I'm gonna win. 2 ghosts are still...
Okay. We got this.
Okay, come on. Almost done. Completed. All right.
Ooh.
Next round. Let's go.
I'm still on the same second round.
Second round.
Yeah.
Are we gonna give away what our scores are so far?
No, there's no need. I mean, people need to know the scores just yet.
Well, I mean, everybody just needs to know that I'm winning, so that's the important thing. Ooh, strawberry. What does a strawberry do?
I don't know. I haven't seen a strawberry yet.
I've not played this in so long, but to be honest, I'm a natural, so. No! It ran out. Ah. Okay, last one.
No. Let's go. Come on, we can do this.
This is not good. I didn't get the cherry or the strawberry. Okay, strawberry's back. No.
Yes,
He's after me. Get away, quickly. No! Is that it?
No. Yes.
Game over.
Yes. This is beautiful. Just loving this path, right? Just so good. I mean, do not touch me.
Oh, I mean, your score's not even close, so I don't even know why you even bothering.
It's okay. I got this.
Oh, you started again.
Nah, did not do such a thing. Oh,
You fool.
You just, oh my God,
You started
confused me.
again. He's cheating. So I mean, it's obvious I'm the winner, as we predicted, as we knew already, and with my high score of let me see, 5,330. Thank you very much. So I get to give away more of the phones.
I'm still playing. I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know why he's still playing.
I'm
He's
still playing.
He's already lost.
I am still playing.
He's already lost and he's restarted because he was rubbish. But yeah. Okay. I called this guy over from the US because he's supposed to be a gamer, but you know, obviously I'm just naturally gifted.
Look, I haven't played Pac-Man in at least
Excuses.
25 years.
Excuses.
Okay. So being the gracious guest that I am, allowing Saf to win on this competition, because I'm that awesome, I'll be giving away 3 of the OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man Edition devices on my channel. And you get a chance to enter onto the giveaway and Saf channel to win 5 of the devices.
The winner.
Yes. He has to win something at least once. But if you guys want to enter to win, use the link down below. Follow the instructions, very simple and easy. Make sure you complete everything so you can enter to win. And just be very attentive. Do not reply back to anyone who is not from either myself, Borderwork, or Super Saf from our official channels, because you could easily get scammed. Stay away from Colonel Singala because he likes to do that kind of stuff. But again, just wait for either one of us, myself or Saf, to respond back to you if you win, and you will get your prizes. And on that note, I want to thank OnePlus for sponsoring this video. And also just sending these devices out so we can give it out to you guys. And for Saf being a gracious host, and also for myself allowing him to win, because the young man needs to win sometime.
He's thanking himself. Anyway, thank you guys, really appreciate it. It's been fun having E over, and it's been great to share some of these devices with you guys.
All right, enjoy your entertainment.